Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bag on the application of Duolingo. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Duolingo and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.